Good morning. Today I'm going to save seeds from my marigolds. I decided to save seeds from the crop that I have this year simply because they're so strong. I do have some seeds left over from when I planted these and from the last season. However, because of how well these grew this season, I thought, you know what, I really want those seeds. The flowers were just beautiful, and the plants themselves were really tall. They were strong, big bunches of them. I mean, so much so that I actually had to stake them up, which is a first. I've never staked up marigolds before. But anyway, so I'm going to save the seeds. So what I did is I went around and I looked for some blossoms that had, really already come and gone. And so I picked up the dead ones. And as you can see here, I'm going to pull the seeds out of there. If you look right in the middle, let's save that for you. Right there, those are the seeds. And here's some of the little ones right there. So the two orange ones over to the side, I don't think they're really ready, but I've got 4 or 5 good blossoms that I'm going to use to save the seeds. And I think I'll do very well because you get hundreds out of each of them. So, well, here's my seeds from the marigolds that I told you I was pulling out. Just wanted to show you all completed. Kind of going slowly because if you're going too fast, you don't get really good pictures, but you can see, yeah, there's quite a few. And then there's the marigold that I'm not going to use. I've got plenty of seeds. This is like thousands in here. Anyway, it's funny though, there is definitely a smell. I can see why the bugs don't like it. There's definitely an odor, a very distinct odor, even in the seeds. So that's really interesting. So, whenever you're harvesting, whether flowers or vegetables, always keep seed saving in mind because we always want to have seeds for the next planting season. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.